Alright, we did problem 1 together when we did our live teaching. Let's take a look at problems 2 and 3 since I'm seeing common errors from all of you. Alright, so problem 2. I need to first identify A, B, and C. So I have A equals 5, B equals -8, C equals +20. Now I'm going to substitute these into the quadratic formula. Problem 1 I'm seeing is we have to use parentheses when we are substituting. So I have x equals the opposite of -8 is +8, plus or minus, b is -8, so I have -8 squared minus 4 times 5 times 20 all over 2 times 5. Okay, step 1. Let me highlight maybe. Is to simplify this stuff inside your radical. So I'm going to have, here, let me undo that. That made it terrible to see. So I'm going to start by simplifying the discriminant. So I have -8 squared minus 4 times 5 times 20. That's -336. So now I have 8 plus or minus the square root of -336 over 10. Step 2 is to simplify your radical. So if you type -336, the square root, into your calculator, you should get error, or no real solution, I might say. So for this one, I'm done, and I need to write no real solutions. What does that look like on a graph? That means that it comes down, sorry, I made it look like it touched. It comes down and never touches the x-axis here. Okay, problem 3. So I have A equals -2, B equals -5, C equals 9. Substitute these into the quadratic formula. The opposite of -5, +5, plus or minus, I have -5 squared minus 4 times -2 times 9 all over 2 times -2. Once again, step 1. Simplify the discriminant. Type that into your calculator. So -5 squared minus 4 times -2 times 9. I end up with 97. So I have 5 plus or minus the square root of 97 all over -4. 97 is not a perfect square. 100 is. 81, not 97. So for my exact solutions, I have 5 plus the square root of 97 over -4, and I have 5 minus the square root of 97 over -4. Type these into your calculator. This one, I end up with -3.71, and 5 minus the square root of 97 divided by -4 is +1.21. Alright, reach out with any questions. Thanks for watching.